Alright, here it comes. The local. Sorry, no DPU, but there's the locomotive. Probably may not have enough time to, because the conductor may not have enough time to blow the horn because it's very busy. Alright, that was Norfolk Southern L48. Came from Waldo, Ohio, and it's going to Marion, Ohio. Again, Norfolk Southern L48 came from Waldo, Ohio, and then went to Marion, Ohio. Also, got something to show you. Okay, you see that camera right there? That's
the rail train camera?
It's broke.
Yeah, the audio. Oh, you mean like the fact that you can't see anything? They fixed that, but they still gotta fix the audio.
I know. Oh, okay. This has been working for a while because,
Lightning strike.
yeah, because last Saturday, there was a bad storm last Saturday here in Marion, and the lightning strike hit that camera, the PTC one, where I'm pointing at, so that's why it has been working. Oh, and also last Saturday, the chimney fell. But there was this chimney, one of the chimneys fell, and I believe it's that one right there. From the storm. And I think it hit the ground right there.
Lucky it only hit the grass, huh?
Yeah. Probably parts of that chimney fell. It was
I think I see the back of an ES-44.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, and guys, so there's a caution tape because of this. Hope this gets fixed. Thank gosh I wasn't in Marion last Saturday.
It's not just the Marion camera where the sound glitched.
What?
It's not just the Marion camera where the sound glitched. The Atlanta, Georgia one, the Bellevue, Ohio.
They're all destroyed?
Most of them, yeah. Most of the good ones. Luckily, Fostoria and CP3 is still up.
Wow. Okay guys, bye, and that's all for now.